I've been told twice today that I'm the loudest to something they've heard today.
What's up, man?
Yeah, I've been watching you for a while.
Oh, nice to meet you, man. Can we put windows up and info real quick? Thanks for watching. So you watch my videos, okay? Your name and what's in here, man?
Julius, I got two XP3 15s, on a Assault 6K with two D3100s, with a JP23 4 on the front doors. I have two JP 6.5s with, I think it's two Sundown G2R1 Super Tweeters.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
I actually got two more D3100s. I just didn't have enough time to.
Where would you put them?
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to build my. Because I have a platform sitting this on. So I'm gonna have to build that platform up, and I'm gonna have to run them with bus bars.
Yep. What's your box specs? Tuning, cubic space, or anything? Do you know?
I'm tuned to 3010.
Okay.
It's adjustable with air, obviously.
Yeah. And have you done any kind of tuning SPL tests?
I've been told twice today that I'm the loudest to something they've heard today.
Really? Okay. All right. Sweet. Daily driver too.
Part-time
Okay.
daily. I got two cars.
Okay. I like it, man. Good job. And you did everything. Yeah. And you did the whole install yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. And thanks for watching.
Yeah, man. Probably in the next 2 years, I'm probably gonna switch to a 4-set build. I'm not gonna wall it off. It's a big box, just front firing.
Okay.
Because I don't think I'm gonna gain that much having a beefier sub.
No. I mean, probably not.
Probably not. But I'm gonna.
Have you converted? Have you ever inverted them? You might play a little lower.
A little.
Yeah,
It
not
already
much.
plays pretty low.
It does do pretty good. Yeah, I agree.
That back wall, I'm probably gonna put a layer of birch on it.
It was flexing a lot.
Oh, dude, I gotta show you from outside. You can tell where it hits.
Okay, I'll show.
Then I got you beat. Had to get them ready. Bought Keisha the Audi. Y'all all the niggas petty. Bet you ain't got more money than Harmony and Chevy. Flat black Chevy. Flat black Mac 11. I'm rolling up by the pound, you rolling up by the 7. Walking the room with a black and white fur. That been there.
I just got a new USB from Jacob Morris.
All right.
I'm still trying to figure out what song sounds
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
like I'm out of shape. How these bitches love me like that. I'm drinking muddy, man. Drop a 4 in a ginger ale, it taste like clubbing, man. Young nigga hit a lick, now you can't tell me nothing.
Yeah, dude. A daily driver too. Okay.
Part-time daily. I got 2 cars.
Okay. I like it, man. Good job. And you did everything. Yeah. And you did the whole install yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. I appreciate the demo. And thanks for watching.
Yeah, man. Probably in the next 2 years, I'm probably gonna switch to a 4-sub build. I'm not gonna wall it off. It's a big box, just front firing.
Okay.